Welcome back, friends. Today I'm so excited to share with you 12 ideas to make this your coziest Christmas ever. And by the way, you don't have to spend any money. During this season, it's so easy to fall into a pattern of purchasing events and gifts and to feel so stressed and burdened. But I'm here to tell you, you do not have to spend a dime to make this your coziest Christmas yet. Christmas does not have to be excessive or expensive to be wonderful. It's a time of year when magic, love, and joy is in the air, and all you have to do is relish in it. Let's get right into it. First, for our bookish friends, gather up your favorite Christmas stories, then grab your blankets, a cup of tea, and cozy up in front of a fire with your favorite people. Read Christmas stories together. Read them to each other. You can do this with your partner, your friends, or your kids. There are so many Christmas stories around. You can grab ones from your shelves or make a special trip to the library to pick some out. Next is to make a December gratitude scroll. With whatever supplies you already have, grab a paper, a scroll, whatever you like, and hang it up. Throughout December, have everyone write what they're feeling thankful for. This is a great way to remember that Christmas is a season of gratitude. Experiencing that and being reminded each day adds love and coziness to your surroundings. It might even reduce some stress. Next, in the Christmas season, there are tons of beautiful lights and decor surrounding us. One of our favorite traditions is to make hot chocolate, take it in travel mugs, and head out in our car or even on foot to look at all of the beautiful lights in our neighborhood. This is such a fun one to do after dinner on a weeknight, doesn't require too much effort, and everyone enjoys it. This next one is really special to me. Write letters about the year to your loved ones, telling them why you're thankful for them and any special memories that you have. Put them in a box under the Christmas tree and then read them aloud together on Christmas morning. This can be with your friends, your kids, or your partner. Let it be an annual tradition and keep them so that you can look back at them for years to come. If you don't already have a Christmas playlist, let this be your sign to take 30 minutes or an hour to compile some of your favorite music so you have it handy throughout the season. My personal favorites are ones from Christmas movies or Michael Bublé, or a traditional one like Bing Crosby. Next, if you play an instrument or sing, pull it out and play Christmas tunes and sing together. This can be such a nice thing for small groups or couples to do, but the more the merrier. I'll include some free Christmas sheet music below for you to browse. This next one may feel obvious, but I feel like there are some fun twists we can add to make it special. Have a Christmas movie marathon, or line up your favorite Christmas episodes of your favorite shows. You can make a game out of it and play Christmas movie bingo, or just snuggle up and enjoy. Next is to make handmade gifts. I think these are so much fun and often better than other gifts. If you like to sew, some ideas are aprons, bread bowl covers, or makeup bags. If you're into crafting, you can make salt dough ornaments, pressed flower bookmarks, or painted wooden frames with quotes or verses. If you like to cook or bake, you can make homemade chili oil, biscotti, chocolate bombs, vanilla extract, or tons of other things. To keep these free, focus on using things you already have, or source things like the free remnants from a fabric store. I'll leave free links for all of these projects below. Okay, this next one is not super cozy, but it definitely helps to balance out all the extra treats, and it can be a fun way to help yourself feel less stressed. Do a Christmas-themed workout. There are tons of these, but the 12 Days of Christmas is a classic, and it's such a challenge. I will link that one below. This next one is a personal favorite of mine, and one that I know of several families around us who also enjoy. Grab one of your puzzles, it doesn't have to be a Christmas one, and set it out on a side table for family to work on throughout the month. It creates a great space for people to sit and chat with coffee together, and since it's already sitting out, there's no need to schedule it or go through any extra effort. This next one is one of our family favorites, and although it's not completely free, it is extremely inexpensive. Get together with friends, cousins, family, and make special treats. This can be gingerbread houses. We make a special time out of baking gingerbread together, and my kids have so much fun decorating the gingerbread houses. But you can keep this super simple with things like graham crackers and simple candy decorations, or go a different route entirely and make cookies. You can also do things like making special breakfast cinnamon rolls on Christmas Day, or even Christmas candy. This next one takes inspiration from an old tradition, but with our own twist, of course. Instead of watching a movie, put on a real-life funny Christmas skit for your family or friends. Take turns acting them out and make the best of it. You can even offer a reward for the best performance. I'll link some scripts below. Thank you so much for joining me here today, friends. I hope you found some inspiration to slow down and enjoy this season. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more content about making the best of each season, slowing down, or maybe even cozy home tea parties, remember to subscribe. Have a wonderful holiday season, and Happy New Year, friends.